Welcome to my BzzAgent review, where I'll break down everything you need to know about the site. First, let's talk about what BzzAgent is and how it works. BzzAgent is a product testing platform that connects you with brands looking for honest feedback on their products. It's a simple concept. You sign up, complete surveys to match with products, and receive those products for free or at a discount in exchange for your opinion. However, it's not always as straightforward as it sounds. While it sounds great, the platform can be frustrating. The main problem I ran into was how often I wasn't selected for campaigns, despite filling out several surveys. This might be due to limited availability in certain areas, or simply because I didn't match the right demographics for the campaigns at the time. It's not a huge deal, but it does make the process feel a bit slow. Once you are selected for a campaign, you receive the product and be asked to share your experience via reviews, social media posts, or other forms of feedback. In return, you earn points that can be redeemed for rewards. Some of these rewards include gift cards, which is nice, but you'll quickly realize that the amount of points required for bigger rewards can be high. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. The reward system isn't the most transparent either. You earn points for completing certain tasks, but the conversion of those points into actual rewards can be unclear. You need a significant amount of points to earn decent rewards, and it can feel like you're not making much progress at times. On a positive note, BzzAgent does offer a wide variety of products across different categories: beauty, food, health, and household items. So, there's a good chance you'll find campaigns that suit your interests. But be prepared to invest some time and effort into qualifying for those campaigns. It's not a passive way to earn money. In terms of usability, the website and app are both relatively user-friendly, though they can sometimes feel a bit outdated. The surveys are easy to complete, but the notifications for available campaigns could be better. It can be frustrating when you miss out on an opportunity because the site didn't alert you in time. Overall, my experience with BzzAgent has been mixed. While it's a great concept, the inconsistent opportunities and unclear reward system make it less than perfect. If you're looking for a quick way to earn money or free products, BzzAgent might not be the best choice. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, it can be a fun way to engage with products you're interested in and earn some rewards in the process. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on cashback and product testing sites.